How a dress is made. Peeky looked inside her big, heavy trunk. All her clothes were old and small. "I want a new blue dress," she said to her mum. "But where do dresses come from?" Elara smiled. "Let's visit the farmhouse to find out." They walked down a dusty path to a big farmhouse. A kind man named Uncle Bram stood by the gate. "Hello," he called out. "Are you here to see how we grow a dress?" Peeky's eyes went wide. "You grow them?" Uncle Bram knelt in the soft brown dirt. He showed Peeky a tiny dark seed. "Everything starts right here," he said. "We plant these seeds in the earth. With water and sun, they turn into something special." Weeks passed and the sun shone bright. Mum and Uncle Bram walked through the fields together. The plants were tall and green now. "The seeds are working hard," Uncle Bram explained. "They are turning sunshine into fluff." One morning, the field was covered in white fluffy balls. "It looks like clouds on sticks," Peeky shouted. Uncle Bram gave her a basket. "This is cotton," he said. "It is soft and ready to be picked." Uncle Bram and Mum sat on the porch. They pulled the cotton through a wooden comb. "We have to take out the little seeds," Uncle Bram said. The cotton became clean and smooth, like a pile of soft snow. Peeky took a piece of the clean fluff. Mum showed her how to twist and pull it. As Peeky pulled, the fluff turned into a long, thin string. "Look, Mum, I made thread," Peeky cried happily. Uncle Bram took the thread to a big wooden frame called a loom. "Watch how it moves," he told Peeky. Over and under, over and under. The threads locked together to make a flat white piece of cloth. Now the cloth needed a colour. Mum and Peeky found a big pot of bright blue juice made from berries. They dipped the white cloth deep inside. Splash! The cloth turned as blue as the summer sky. Mum took her big scissors and cut the blue cloth into shapes. She used a tiny needle to sew the pieces together. Peeky watched her mum's hands move back and forth to make the stitches very strong. The dress was finished. It was a beautiful blue frock with 2 bright yellow buttons. Peeky put it on and spun around. The skirt flared out like a bluebell. "I am wearing sunshine and seeds," she said. Peeky gave Mum a big hug. She waved goodbye to Uncle Bram and the farm. She loved her new dress, made from cotton and a lot of love. Now she was ready for a brand new adventure. Bye-bye, friends. See you soon.